Namaskaram and welcome to the session. I am your virtual assistant for Android app development course from the Streamliners. After learning ImageView, Dialogs, RecyclerView etc., now you are ready to develop your own user e-commerce app. Come, let's explore how. You will be amazed to know that you can code multiple apps within a single Android Studio project. In our case, we need not create two Android projects as user and admin. Instead, we can create multiple app modules within a single project. So here, we'll have two app modules, admin and user. Both these apps will share common model classes. For this, we'll create a Java module named Models, which will then be imported by both the app modules in their module-level Gradle files as shown here. Now let's see how we are going to implement the RecyclerView for showing list of products. In our user Ecom, we need to show two types of products, weight-based and variance-based. We can use multiple view types feature of RecyclerView for this. We'll create different layouts for the products because the quantity and buttons will be shown differently for both. For weight-based product, the layout will be this. It consists of image, title, subtitle, add button, quantity, and edit button. In subtitle, we'll show price per kilogram of the product. For zero quantity in cart, only add button will be visible. And for non-zero quantity, quantity and edit button will be visible. On add button or edit buttons click, we'll show a weight picker dialog where user can pick a weight or remove the product from cart. For variance-based product, this is the layout. In subtitle, we'll show the number of variants available. Beside that, there is a variance toggle, which will be used to show or hide the variance chips. For quantity, there are two buttons, increment and decrement. Decrement button and quantity will be hidden when there is zero quantity. When the increment and decrement buttons are clicked, variance quantity picker dialog will be opened where user can pick quantity for variance or remove all variants of the product. But when the product has only one variant, no need to show a dialog. Increment and decrement buttons will function directly. Cart. Users will be shown a cart summary at the bottom of MainActivity where the user can see the cart total and the number of items the user has added to the cart. Clicking the checkout button will open cart activity where we'll show all the cart items and input delivery info. Enough of the talk. Let me now walk you through the step-by-step tutorial for implementing this. To help you get started, we have created a skeleton project. In this project you will find classes, interfaces and methods only declared. It is your task to define them according to the tasks we are going to see next. We will show the list of products in MainActivity. For this, the RecyclerView is already defined in MainActivity's layout file. The adapter for products is ProductsAdapter, which is declared in the controllers package. For both types of products we have separate data binder and ViewHolder classes. This helps us keep the code modularized and easy to maintain. Whenever the quantity of an item is updated, we get the callbacks in data binders. But our cart summary view is in MainActivity. So, to update the cart summary and the items view in the list, we have AdapterCallbacksListener. It has a method called onCreateViewType which is called whenever the quantity of any item in the cart is updated. We have also passed the position of the item updated to notify the adapter of changes. For now, we will show the products from a local list. And for this we have ProductsHelper in temp package. Its static method getProducts will return a dummy list of products. But later on we will pull this list from the server where the admin will push the products. So, while instantiating the adapter, we pass context, list of items, cart, and our AdapterCallbacksListener. Let's explore the adapter now. Because we want multiple view types in RecyclerView, we have to implement an extra method called getItemViewType, which returns the type of product at the given position. Fortunately, we already have the type saved in product class as int, so we can use it directly. In onCreateViewHolder, we inflate the layouts and create the ViewHolder object based on the type we receive. In onBindViewHolder, we use the data binders created separately. A few important things to notice here are, instead of creating binder objects again and again, we are using the same object repeatedly to save memory. As we have multiple view holders, our adapter extends the adapter of RecyclerView ViewHolder class. While instantiating the data binders, we pass context, cart, and AdapterCallbacksListener. For binding, we have a bind method which is invoked by passing a binding object and the product that needs to be bind. The two dialogs are also declared in the Dialogs package. Binders need to open dialogs on button clicks. Dialogs also need context for inflation. So, in order to save memory, you must try to create a single dialog object and reuse it instead of creating new dialog objects each time. We are not going to implement the UserEcom app all at once. In this tutorial we will implement only products list, search, and cart. We will do so by these 7 tasks. First, you will create your models module for using model classes which you created in our course's 4th module. 1.2. Create cart summary layout in MainActivity. Second, design layouts for weight-based product, variance-based product, variant chip item. Third, create dialogs for picking weight and variance quantity. Fourth, implement data binders for both type of products which will bind and sync data with views. Fifth, implement the cart activity where cart items will be shown. Sixth, add search and my cart options to MainActivity's options menu. The steps for all these tasks are defined in this doc, and the doc link is available in the description box below. This assignment will help you understand a lot of concepts. Through this, you get to learn about RecyclerView, data binders, search, and how data moves across all these. This project may look overwhelming at once, but you should find out your weak topics and strengthen them by practicing on a dummy project first. The skeleton project and tutorial doc are shared below. Observe them carefully and you'll get a clear understanding of what needs to be done. So, happy coding! Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care.